Welcome to this video, and as you read already, I am installing an eSIM on a Chinese Huawei device without it having eSIM support. The same one would also work for Chinese Vivo device or a Chinese Oppo device or any other Chinese devices that don't have eSIM support. And the answer is to get a physical SIM card that supports eSIM like this one here from Simlink 90 SIM. And this one allows me to install multiple eSIMs on this physical SIM card, and they all work together. Let me show you how it's working on HarmonyOS 6 on my Pura 80 Ultra. So let's get started. All you have to do to configure your eSIM, because HarmonyOS 6 doesn't have an Android application from 90 SIM that would work, because on the other devices like the Oppo, the Vivo, you can just install the Android app and clicky bunti, click on it and scan your QR code from your eSIM provider. That's it. But here on HarmonyOS 6, where you cannot do it, you can go to mobile network, and the 90 SIMs have this support. You go to SIM management, and then you have SIM 2, which is now my 9 eSIM card. And I go in here, and what it gives me is an LPAE menu. And here I have a profile list, by the way. I can switch between the profiles that I have if I have multiple eSIM installed. And I have download eSIM. This is the one that you want to have. And then please enter the activation code. Then you just give your activation code that you also get from your eSIM provider. So besides the QR code, they also give you an activation code. And yeah, you use this one here to get your eSIM downloaded on your physical 90 SIM adapter. That's it, basically. It's pretty easy, isn't it? If for some reason the 90 SIM card downloading the code, the activation code, is not working via the SIM toolkit, take it off your Huawei phone, put it into an Android phone, install the 9 eSIM app and try it this way. I had two profiles that worked just fine with the SIM toolkit and one profile that didn't, and this is the one that I'm going to install now. And you see it has here SIM 2, no profiles installed here right now because I deleted the other ones there. And what I will do right now is install a new profile. All I have to do is enter the full activation code here, and I can just use a QR code to scan this in, which is one of the good things. And this is how you do it, by the way, on Xiaomi 17 Ultra or the Oppo Find X9 Ultra or the Vivo devices, X300 Ultra, X200 Ultra, whatever you have there, Chinese devices. If you want to install your eSIM, this is the other way, the other route that will definitely work. And when it's working, you get all those information there, and you can click on download. It will start downloading the eSIM onto the 9 eSIM SIM. And the cool thing is, because it's a physical SIM, I could just take it out and put it back into my Huawei phone. And then this new profile that is set up here will also work just as a normal SIM card on my Huawei phone as well. And that's it. This is pretty easy, isn't it, to get your eSIM working on your Huawei devices or your Chinese devices that don't support eSIM. And spoiler alert, the newer Chinese Huawei devices support eSIM by default also in China. Yay! So we have this ability there. We don't have to have the physical card. But I think the physical card is pretty good, because the physical card you can just put into another phone, into another device, and it has the same eSIM that you had before. So it's not bound to your physical device, which is a very cool feature. And it allows you to put multiple profiles on one SIM card that you can switch between. So I have my German European eSIM there, and I have the one that I will use probably when I'm going to Asia just in a couple of days, and I can use it as well. So it's very useful in my opinion. So what do you think about this? Are you also using such nice eSIM SIM physical card adapters? And are they working for you? What are your experiences? Put it down in the comments. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Until the next time. Bye.